I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a flyable aircraft with functional avionics. Now act. First, confirm the autopilot hardware is present and powered. Next, set your initial targets. Select an altitude, a heading, and a target speed on the autopilot or flight director. Once done, engage the autopilot by pressing the AP or AP1/AP2 switch and watch for the flight director bars to become active. This confirms the system will follow your selected commands and hold attitude and navigation inputs for you. Once autopilot is engaged, choose the appropriate mode for your phase of flight. Use HDG for manual headings, NAV to follow the flight plan, LOC/APP for ILS capture, or VS for a specific climb or descent rate. If you have an FMC, program VNAV to automate climbs and descents. Otherwise, manually set vertical speed and target altitudes. Make sure to monitor instruments and trim, since the autopilot compensates for control forces. This prevents surprises and keeps flight parameters stable. As you prepare to land or hand fly, smoothly disconnect the autopilot using the AP disconnect switch or the control yoke button. Sudden cuts can upset trim. Arm the approach mode and localizer when cleared, set flaps and approach speed, and monitor glide path. If the autopilot behaves oddly, verify the NAV source matches your plan, realign the ILS frequency or course, and cycle autopilot power if needed. This often clears mode confusion and restores proper capture behavior for a safe transition to manual control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.